घुम्दैछौँ सिङ्गापुर एक्सप्लोर गर्दैछौँ So let's explore with us guys.
Alright, here this is the very historical areas of Singapore. On the left hand side, this is our city hall. Used to be our city hall and our Supreme Court. Right now, they already converted into a museum called National Gallery of Singapore. And what are they doing right now? It's not holding a concert now, it's just to prepare for our National Day celebrations. So we have to set up the stage so that they can do the rehearsal every weekend. That's why they are preparing for that. And then on your left hand side here, this is the tallest hotel of Singapore. 72 story, but it's not the tallest building in Singapore. The tallest building in Singapore is about 290 meters. Alright, so only considered as a hotel. And this is a hotel that named after Sir Stamford Raffles. So later on when I they say, oh, stink. But we like it very much. So we give you a nickname called Durian Building. This is the venue for performing arts. Just like you go Sydney, you see Opera House. These are very similar like Opera House or Opera House. Okay, I don't have much time to explain, alright? So right now is...
So guys, अहिले चाहिँ हामी यो के त यसको नाम मलेना लायन हैन So this is the Merlion Park. हामी आएको छौँ. Let's explore with us guys. So guys, I want to do some photo shoot. Post it in Instagram, so do follow in Insta to Sudesh008. So guys, finally done with photo shoot. अब हामी फेरि जाँदैछौँ बसमा किनकि हामीले राम्रो पैसा पे गरेछौँ बसमा जान्छौँ अब उनीहरूले कहाँ एक्सप्लोर गर्नु यो गाइस हामी अब सिटी स्क्वायर मलमा जाँदैछौँ टु ह्याभ सम फुड किनकि हाम्रो लन्च टाइम हो वी एक्सप्लोर अ लट अब हामी खान्छौँ के खान्छौँ मेकडोनल्ड्स जान्छौँ होला आई गेस किनकि बिहानदेखि इन्डियन खाना खाँदा पागल भइसक्यो यसो मिल्यो भने सपिङ पनि हाल्छौँ Let's explore with us, guys.
A few moments later.
So guys, मैले खाएँ अब यो हाम्रो हो त यो this is our lunch. Let's try some food. डन विथ फुड अब हामी जाँदैछौँ सेन्टोसा जान होइन सेन्टोसा जानुमा सेन्टोसा सो स्टे ट्युन इन माई भिडियो गाइज